Today's modern enterprise asset management, or EAM software, is about more than performing maintenance. You need to be able to handle all the complex demands of your assets, including increased ESG compliance and health and safety regulations to keep your connected workers safe. With over 40 years' experience, IFS is recognized as an EAM market leader by industry analyst firms, and we are proud to partner with thousands of happy EAM customers. IFS EAM can automate the management of all your assets to control maintenance and optimize asset performance from one solution. IFS EAM, including asset performance management capabilities, facilitates asset lifecycle management, from asset planning and project management to construction and operations, through maintenance to decommissioning, providing operational efficiencies. It's part of IFS Cloud, which includes capabilities for service management and ERP incorporating finance, built on a single composable platform with native mobile capabilities, embedded AI, and the use of IoT data for predictive maintenance. The composable nature of our solution also allows to implement the functionality you need right now and later add processes like workforce scheduling management and inventory management. Connect the data and analytics across your processes for the operational insights you need to meet your asset management goals. Easily integrate to other systems, such as your existing ERP solution or GIS software. Easily reconfigure the solution and still be able to upgrade. We help you improve asset availability, reliability, and service delivery to your customers. Achieve your strategic goals by optimizing your utilization of assets, resources, and capital. Talk to us today to discover how you can minimize downtime and maximize the profitability of your assets while ensuring safe, energy-efficient, and sustainable operations, even in the face of disruptive change.